If you are wondering how long does the battery last on Samsung Galaxy A57, then let me quickly elaborate on this topic. So if we consider a typical daily usage of the phone, the average estimated time is going to be approximately 14 hours, more or less. Of course, this time varies. It's going to be different for every user, simply because every person does different thing with their smartphone. And of course, we have different settings enabled, different options, or maybe disabled, of course. We do different things. Some people, for example, play games, and of course, playing games drains the battery faster than not doing so. So if we consider just calling, if you want to use the whole battery just for calling, then the battery should last approximately 23 hours and 15 minutes. If we consider browsing the internet and only that, then the battery is going to last for approximately 13.5 hours. If we just want to watch videos on the phone, then the battery is going to last for approximately 23 hours and 10 minutes. And if you want to play games, you want to use the whole battery in order to play games, then the battery is going to last for approximately 7 hours and 10 minutes, which is, of course, maybe not so great. Now, if you play lots of games, then of course the battery is going to last less time. And if you don't play games at all, then of course the average time is going to be higher than those 14 hours that I mentioned. And of course, if you use a couple of different features, like for example, if we go to the display settings, we have a couple of options in here that also have an impact on the battery life. So depending if you use them or not, your battery time is going to be different. But if we consider the average, of course, as I mentioned, then it should be approximately 14 hours on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.